Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here, your automotive advisor at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And today I'm going to be showing you guys what's the difference between the LX and the Special Edition. So when you move from the LX to that Special Edition, what are you gaining? How does it look? Stuff like that. You guys have any questions? Drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best. Now let's go show you what you're gaining. All right, so as we're sitting here in the Special Edition right now, as you can see, we have the push button start with an awesome key fob. Starts right up, quick and easy. With the LX, as you can see right up here in the photo, you get your standard key and a standard key ignition from that point. All right, does the LX have remote start? No, it does not, like the Special Edition does. Starts right up, heats and cools the car to 72 degrees, doors remain locked. All right, so right here in the Special Edition, comes with a nice 7-inch touchscreen with dual climate control and heated seats. LX right up there, doesn't. Down below, I have Apple CarPlay with a couple USBs right down there. You know what the LX has? Just a one USB with no Apple CarPlay. Check it out right up there. All right, Special Edition, car's all locked up here. We got the smart entry system, so I put my hand in the handle and unlocks it. We also have the walk-away auto lock, so I can walk away from the car 10 feet away, boom, locks automatically, or I can lock it from here. How about the LX? Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. Sorry to interrupt here quick. If you found this video helpful so far, you want to show your support, tap that like button, smash the subscribe button. I'll keep it going, all right? Let's get back to the video. All right, so we're right inside the Special Edition right now. I got my passenger over here. Oh, you want the windows down? Not a problem. Click of a button, both windows will come down on auto. What about the LX? Check it out right up there. Maybe I'm big in music, right? I like to jam out. What's available? What can I do in this Special Edition that I can't do in the LX? Let me show you. Here we are. We're gonna have a 160 4-speaker over there, watt system, and then here we're gonna have the 180 with 6 speakers. So we got more speakers, better watts, and more of an option. FM, AM, iPod. You got your USB, Bluetooth, Pandora, and then your smartphone connection. What about the LX? Check it out right up there. Let's talk about the exterior stuff now, all right? So right over here on the Special Edition, it's gonna be body colored. As you can see right up here, the LX. Special Edition badging. We'll step right back over here to the tailgate spoiler. Guess what? Body colored. LX. Check out the handles. Body colored. LX, not. Same goes for the side mirrors. Body colored. Which one do you think is better? Which one do you like more? Let's talk about something simple, guys. Let's talk about the wipers, right? You can put them in intermittent and they're adjustable. Check that out. What about the LX, you say? Well, you know, check it up on top. We'll show you. So let's say I'm out there driving around, doing errands, right? I get to where I'm going with the Special Edition. Got my key fob with me. I show up the car. We have the walk-away auto lock feature. Simply get out, take my key fob there, shut the door. I walk away, get about 10 feet away, right? Car's gonna beep. 10 feet away, doors automatically lock. Just like that, guys. What about pricing, you say? Not a problem. Here's the price of the LX. There's the price of the Special Edition. What's the difference? Right there. You tell me, is it worth the difference going from that LX right over here to that Special Edition? Drop it down in the comments.